Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give an initial review about some hair that I bought from Aliexpress. The company is called iWish hair. I ordered it, I'll put the dates in. I don't remember when I ordered it, but it did come pretty fast. I think it wasn't even a week. This is the box that it came in. The box actually came up, it was pretty beat up. You see the lines and stuff, but the hair was intact, so it doesn't matter. I got a 26-inch curly wig. When I opened it, there wasn't really much of a chemical smell. Like sometimes, you know, when you order hair and it smells like chemicals, or like a factory. It didn't really smell like that. It just smelled like the box. It came with a wig cap, and I'm gonna show you the hair now. No. 26-inch deep wave. I didn't measure it yet to see if it's 26 inches. It comes in like a dark brown color, or like a color they call natural. I'm going to dye it jet black because I like my hair jet black. Yep. It feels really soft and it's not tangling, and I'm running my fingers through it, so that's a plus. It comes with the little card that says what it is, the color. It says lace wig, 100% virgin hair. We will see. Oh, and on the back it comes with a little direction instruction card on how to wash it, how to maintain it, all that stuff. Let me show you the front. This is a 13 by 4. Yeah, this is a 13 by 4 frontal. You see, I bought a pre-plucked wig, and it comes with baby hairs. You see the baby hairs at the front. I think it's really cool that they put the white thing in here so you could see the lace. It's a medium brown lace, but it might go with my skin tone. I might have to tint it. We will see, because sometimes when it's just brown lace, I can just not feel my skin. I definitely have to bleach the knots. You see the knots. Definitely have to bleach them. But I think I might not have to do much plucking though. Let me see if I can get in here. If y'all could see that. Yeah, look at that. It's not that bad for pre-pluck. Sometimes, you know, they say pre-pluck, but you still gotta pluck it. Yeah, this don't look too bad. I might pluck it when I have to get to, when I do my middle part. Let me see how much parting space. A good amount of parting space before I have, oh, you can't see it. Came in, this also came in it. This is like, you know, those bands that you want to put in your wig if you want to make it glueless. So you could do that. I don't know why. So on the box it says W lace wig, 100% virgin hair, factory direct sale. I don't know why it says that when I ordered from iWish, but yeah, I ordered from iWish. Maybe the W stands for the wish, whatever. But this is just an initial review, and I really do love how the hair is feeling. I will dye the hair black, let you know how it held up. I'll keep it in for like 2 weeks, then a month, and then I'll let you guys know how the hair is holding up and if it's pretty good. And let's see even if it can last more than that. Okay,